In 1891, Sarojini Naidu topped university entrance exams when most girls weren't even allowed into school. An Indian freedom fighter, prodigy and poet, she became India's first female governor and earned the title Nightingale of India. From writing poetry that captivated British literary circles to leading massive protests during India's independence movement, she refused to stay in any box society created for women. In 1898, she shattered age-old Indian traditions by marrying for love across caste lines. In 1925, she became the first woman president of the Indian National Congress, when others hesitated. In 1930, during the Salt March protests in which over 60,000 people were arrested, she stepped up to lead thousands more. Here's what's wild. She did all this while being a mother of 5 and a brilliant poet whose words still echo today. She didn't choose between being an artist, activist, mother, or leader. She chose to be all 4, and more. Your dreams don't have to fit in someone else's timeline. Break the mold, just like the Nightingale did.